Pepper jack cheeseburgers with a side of potato wedges. Narrated recipe by Michael Lagana, Anthropology 212, Food and Culture, University of South Carolina, November 2020. I traditionally used to make these burgers with my dad this summer every time he was off work. We both really enjoyed them. They are super easy and fun to make and taste delicious. I showed the recipe to my roommate this semester and we love making them every week together. For the ingredients, you'll need 12-ounce Yukon Gold potatoes, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 1½ ounce of ranch dressing, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, 10-ounce ground beef, 2 slices of pepper jack cheese, a half of an onion, and 2 units of potato buns. As for the potato wedge preparation, rinse your potatoes thoroughly and dry. Cut your potatoes into 4 wedges. Toss wedges into a bowl and mix with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix and stir efficiently. Potato wedges continued. Place wedges onto a rack and preheat oven to 450 degrees. Place wedges on the middle rack and roast them until browned for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you get the potatoes in first because it takes the most time, then move on to the sauce preparation. Rinse sauce preparation. In a small bowl, combine ranch, sour cream, and some garlic powder. Season with salt and pepper. Add a dash of hot sauce to add some heat. Mix the bowl thoroughly to get a nice texture. Once finished, give it a little taste to see if it needs any more of any ingredient, and then throw it in the fridge to keep cold. Move on to the burger prep. As for the burger preparation, mix the 10-ounce ground beef with salt, pepper, and garlic powder and form into 2 patties. Let them sit in the fridge to get firm for the pan. Slice up half an onion and let it caramelize on a pan with a pinch of butter and a drizzle of olive oil. Burger preparation continued. Once caramelized, place onions on a paper plate and throw your patties onto the pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Let them cook till medium rare, and then throw your slice of pepper jack cheese on both patties. Close the top of the pan with a lid to let the cheese melt quickly. Remove from pan and let them rest. Plate preparation. Grab 2 burger buns and let them crisp in the toaster. Plate your potato wedges on the side and spread your ranch sauce onto the buns. Place your burgers onto the buns and spread your caramelized onions on top. Leave extra ranch sauce on the side of the plate for your wedges. Lastly, clean up the kitchen and enjoy. I hope you guys liked the presentation. I had a lot of fun making this dish. Maybe one day you guys can cook up this recipe for dinner with your roommates. Mine served for 2 people, but you can add more potatoes and ground beef if you want to serve for more people. Thank you so much.